Chris here. Welcome to the channel.
Excellent!
I hate fluid leaks. The only thing I hate more than fluid leaks is the sound of a crying baby. Just got back from a trip to Ohio where I experienced a catastrophic hose failure. I needed to make a quick roadside repair. I remembered images that I had seen from the internet of emergency hose repairs that got people home. As you can see, we made it home. Repair works. I wanted to make a short video just sharing what I had done. Maybe it saves you butt.
Alright, what you're going to need is acetone, rags, scissors, tape, and zip ties. I was able to get all this stuff at Home Depot, but I've seen people use duct tape. Just use your best judgment. The most important part is getting heat-resistant zip ties so they stay under tension in the hot engine bay.
You can see we got our radiator hose tear right there. First thing I'm going to do is clean it.
The acetone will clean off any coolant that might keep the tape from sticking well.
I'm going to apply the tape. I started with a small patch, and then I wrapped it, I spiraled over it. The most important part is just make sure you don't leave any ripples or V's, little mountains. You don't want the coolant to be able to sneak out. Make sure it's all really grabbed. All right, next I'm going to cut a longer piece, spiral over the original piece that I did. Try to just keep it as taut as I can. Now we're going to hit it with some heat-resistant zip ties to keep the tape in place. Keep them right next to each other. Trim off the tails. Make it nice and sharp.
Oh, shit! God damn it! Same shit, different day!
There you go. Repaired radiator hose.
Here's me fixing the busted hose in my van.
Held for me for like 1,000 miles, but remember this is a temporary fix. Don't forget to replace it once you get back to wherever you came from. Should get you home. If I'm missing something, or if there's a better way to do it, or there's just a completely different solution, let me know in the comments. Thanks for visiting. We'll see you next time.